Do you also need perfect roadmap to improve your communication skills? If yes, so this video is for you guys, because in this video I'm gonna share with you 5 habits that will help you to improve your communication skills. Yes guys, you heard it right. If you will work on these habits every day, then definitely that habits work for you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into the main video. Okay, so habit number first is reading habit. Yes, it is very easy to listen, but it is not easy that much you understand. Like, building a reading habit, it's very difficult because I did it myself, and it took a lot of time. It took a lot of time to building a habit of reading. That's why I'm telling you. you know so for the first time, if you are a absolute beginner, so you don't need to go any hard article, novel, a newspaper, or reading a books. Like, you just choose stuff according to your level. Like, you know very well what is your level, right? You know very well, so you have to find that kind of article that will suits your level. Okay, so if you will ask me, then in the beginning I used to read like a short article on Google Chrome, because there are so many short article on Google Chrome, and you can just go and search over there and you can get many short article. Okay, so you just don't need to go any hard article or novel, anything of that. Okay, and the habit number second is listening habit. Yes, the second habit is also very important to improve your communication skills, because for speaking English you have to become a good listener as well. Yes, you have to focus everything. It means you have to focus vocabulary, sentence structures, grammar pattern, where what kind of sentence pattern used. You should focus everything. But what you have to do, just pick one video for a day and just try to repeat 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. Okay, and then after 3 time, when you will watch at the first time, then that time just turn off the subtitles and try to understand everything. Okay, and then second time just turn on the subtitles and then try to watch with subtitles. And in the third time, what you have to do, you have to repeat after that. You feel that sentence I can use in my daily life, just pause the video and repeat after the video. And what kind of content you should choose. Like, you should choose only native speakers, because they are using very natural English. There is not any kind of wrong English pattern, you can say that. So just choose native speakers video. Okay, the third thing is that speaking practice. Yes, what you have to do after listen it, you have to just speak more and more. Just speak at least 10 to 15 minutes for a day. And try to speak about your day, about your daily routine, what are you going to do. And if it is possible, then you can download any application and talk with your co-learner. In this way you can improve your English. Okay, so point number now we will talk about habit number 4. The habit number 4 is thinking in English. Yes, it might be your native language little different, so just try to switch your native language to English language. I know it's a very difficult sound, and it feels it difficult in the beginning, but if you will do every day, so you will become used to it. Okay, you will become used to it. So just take a challenge to yourself, like for the next 2 minutes, I don't speak in Hindi, I don't think in our native language. Just try to think in English. Okay, try to think in English and talk about anything. Talk about yourself, talk about your friend, talk about your family, talk about your day, talk about your upcoming videos. So yeah, in this way you can think in English. And the second thing is that you can record yourself. Yeah, this is also a very effective method. When I started my YouTube channel, that time I wasn't able to speak in front of the camera at least 1 minute. but still now I am recording myself, and this method helped me a lot to improve my confidence, to improve my English. I can say that I'm not saying I'm a very fluent speaker, still I'm learning. I need to a lot improvement, and I'm doing everything. But whatever I have faced at, and whatever I have experienced, just I want to share with you. Okay, so the fifth and last habit is, what you have to do, you have to learn at least 3 to 5 vocabulary in a day. Yes, you heard it right. Whatever you are video watching, just try to three is enough for you. Okay, 3 is enough for you. Just pick up 3 vocabulary and use it in a sentence, and if you are unable to do that, then you can take help to ChatGPT. Go, and ChatGPT will give you some basic sentences with the help of those vocabulary, and you can practice with it. Okay, so these are 5 habits. I'm still working on that, and I know it's very difficult to habituate it, but yeah, just believe in yourself and keep practicing every day, and keep going. That day will come soon in our life. We are habituated of these all habits. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.